Hey there, human. You probably weren't expecting to see me, huh? I'm a Sasha the Slow Loris. I am one of the strangest but cutest little primates in the world. You might think I look like a stuffed animal that came to life, but trust me, there's a lot more to me than big eyes and a cute face. I'm part of the Nyctispis genus. I know that is a big word, but that is the scientific way of saying I am a slow nocturnal primate. My relatives and I live across South and Southeast Asia, India, Cambodia, Indonesia, the Philippines, and especially the forests of Borneo and Sumatra. I'm what scientists call arboreal, which means I live in the trees. You won't catch me walking around on the ground because that is where all the danger is. Way up high in the trees, I spend my nights hunting, foraging, and exploring, and my days curled up in a comfy tree nook to nap. When I'm awake, I move carefully, almost in slow motion. Kinda like the Matrix, haha, but it's not because I'm lazy. I move slow on purpose. It helps me stay quiet and invisible. My strong grip lets me freeze in place for minutes, blending in like moss on a branch. Predators can't chase what they can't even spot. So, this keeps me alive. My whole body is built for life in the trees. Let me tell you and show how. My huge round eyes work like natural night vision goggles. I see perfectly in the dark, ideal for my late-night party lifestyle. My strong hands and opposable thumbs act like little clamps. I can cling to branches for hours or crawl upside down without slipping. My twisty spine is one of my coolest features. It's flexible enough to bend, stretch, and rotate so I can reach far branches or twist around silently to snatch up insects. It's like built-in yoga, but better. My slow, deliberate movements keep me hidden. Predators look for motion, and I hardly make any. Staying still is my version of invisibility, kinda like Violet from the movie The Incredibles. And then there's my secret weapon, venom. That's right, I'm the only venomous primate and one of the very few poisonous mammals on Earth. I've got a gland inside my elbows that makes a toxic oil. When I feel threatened, I raise my arms to expose those glands. But only when I feel threatened. Some people think I am stretching or asking for a hug when I do this, but they are absolutely wrong. I'm actually getting ready to fight. Men talk about being misunderstood. Haha, but I lick that gland, mix the venom with my saliva, and if someone attacks me, I chomp them. My bite can cause pain, swelling, and even allergic reactions. It's my way of saying, don't eat me. Oh, I didn't mention that I have a baby boy. His name is Sebastian the Slow Loris, and here's something wild. I can use my venom for my babies too. When I have a little one, I lick my venom glands and then groom my baby. This coats his fur with a bit of toxin. That venom acts like a natural bug spray and predator repellent, keeping my baby safe when I'm out finding food. Who needs a babysitter when you've got chemistry? These adaptations like my eyes. Grip, spine, silence, and venom might look simple. But they've helped my species thrive for millions of years. I'm living proof that slow and steady really can win the race. Even with all my tricks, the jungle has plenty of things that want to eat me. Snakes, civets, eagles, and even orangutans sometimes get curious. But I stay quiet. I stay still. And I let my venom do the talking. However, my biggest threat isn't any animal, unfortunately. It's you, humans. My forests are disappearing really fast, and too many of my kind are captured for the illegal pet trade. Ask Professor Rick. He saw one of my relatives in Thailand. People see videos of slow lorises with their hands up and think it's cute. But remember that pose. Means I'm terrified and I'm about to chomp when we're caught. Our teeth are pulled so we can T-bite, and most of us don't survive the stress. So if you really care about me, Sasha and Sebastian, keep me wild. IFAW and .D. WWF and D. Now, let's talk about my love life. Let's just say it's as slow as the rest of me. We're solitary creatures, but during mating season, the males follow the centrales of a female. We communicate with gentle clicks, whistles, and scent marks. Then we mate, and after about 6 months, I give birth to one tiny baby. I carry the baby everywhere at first, then hide him safely on a branch while I hunt. Thanks to that venom grooming trick, my baby stays protected even when I'm away. I may be quiet, but I'm a caring parent. For thousands of years, my slow, twisty, and careful lifestyle was perfect. It kept me safe and unseen, but now humans move faster than I can adapt. Forests fall, cities grow, and our hiding places vanish. Many of my species are now endangered, but there's still hope if people slow down, protect our forests, and stop treating us like stuffed animals. WWF and D. Lastly, just remember I may be small and slow, but don't underestimate me. My big eyes see what others miss. My spine bends where others break. And my venom, well, let's just say I bite back. The forest is my home, my classroom, and my world. If you humans can learn to slow down a little, maybe we can share it for a few million more years.